In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the HDHomeRun tuner with Kodi on Ubuntu. The HDHomeRun allows for you to receive either local or cable television channels via your home network to any compatible device. I have the HDHomeRun Connect. This model only pulls in over-the-air television channels. However, when I previously had cable television service, I had the HDHomeRun Prime, which allows cable television to be pulled in. The HDHomeRun Connect has two TV tuners. This means that you can only watch or record two channels at a time. If you need additional tuners, then you have to purchase multiple HDHomeRun devices. More details about each device, the tuner models, and specifics of how to use the HDHomeRun are available on the Silicon Dust website. I would like to make a note that this video is not sponsored nor endorsed by Silicon Dust. Now to move to the setup. You will need to have Kodi installed on your computer and your HDHomeRun connected to your network and powered on. Next, open a terminal window on your computer, then run sudo apt-get update. And if prompted for your sudo credentials, enter those. Then run sudo apt-get install HDHomeRun config and HDHomeRun config-GUI. Now I already have the module software installed on my computer, so no additional software was installed at this time. Next, you'll need to make sure your tuner can find all the channels that are available to you. So you'll need to run HDHomeRun_config discover. And what this will do will find the HDHomeRun tuner that is connected on your network. And so this is the 104B0529 is the ID, and this is the IP address at which the device is connected to. You'll need to copy this ID number. And then next you'll need to run HDHomeRun config and then enter the ID number and then scan and then the tuner number, which the HDHomeRun Connect has two tuners, and the tuners are numbered 0 and 1. So I will use tuner 0, but you could use tuner 1 for this. And what it will do now is it will go through the various frequencies for over-the-air television, and it will attempt to find all the channels that are available in your area. Depending on whether you have the over-the-air version or the cable version, this may take some time to complete the full channel scan. My channel scan has completed, and as you see, it did find some channels along the way. This is the local NBC affiliate for my area, and the NBC affiliate also provides two other channels for Bounce TV as well as Grit TV. And there's also some additional channels on another frequency as well, as you see listed here. Next, we'll need to go into Kodi and install the HDHomeRun add-on. So go to System and then Settings and then Add-on and then Install from Repository and then Kodi add-on repository, then Video add-ons, and we will go down to you see the HDHomeRun add-on, and you'll hit install. And now that the HDHomeRun is installed, you can open and run the add-on. And now you see that it is showing the channel, and if you need to change the station, you can use the up, down, or down arrows on your remote or keyboard to find other stations that are available in your listing. In my case, I don't always get all of the over-the-air channels that are available in my area. A lot of factors for the varying number of channels include the type of antenna, the placement of the antenna, and the distance that you are from the TV station tower. As a result, I occasionally rescan to see if additional channels are able to be picked up. If this tutorial has helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, drop them in the comment section below. To be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell.